Attention! This is not a test. Mariah Carey has breached containment. This is an alert sounded by the request of the O5 Council. At approximately 10:52 am Eastern Standard Time, a series of events occurred within the SCP Foundation's Site 21, which led to the containment breach of Mariah Carey. There is currently a severe Mariah Carey warning for the states of New York, New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. If you are within the affected areas, lock all doors and board all windows. If you hear the music, lie face down with your hands on your head until you can no longer hear it. Refer to local authorities for further updates. The Foundation apologizes for the injuries and deaths caused by the breach of Mariah Carey.